Love on fire. Oh my God, what a hell of a journey. But love always wins. Here is Tanya organizing my medication for chemotherapy.
Bubba?
Yes.
Now look over here for a second.
Bubba.
Bubba.
Yes.
Thank you, my love.
Okay, I love you, Bubba.
Cancer, CLL. But painting and determination
Yes.
to continue. I can't express just how much I love life and how much love I have in my life. I am so profoundly blessed and live in absolute abundance. And this new series is just a complete and utter celebration. It is just an explosion. For a year, I was unable to enter my studio and I had to sit and heal. I had to just put all my energy and all my resources towards managing to get through this part of my life. And when I entered the studio, I spent a whole year thinking and like a Rubik's Cube, constantly all this marination and festering and all this energy was just building up in me. And I just exploded with absolute, all the passion and love and everything that I have just exploded onto this canvas, and I just absolutely love this new series. This journey was so hard.
Good thing she's your wife. She's checking out your butt.
Here's me walking in the ICU around the halls. Here's me just loading up my palette and going for it like crazy. So difficult. But along the way, I had incredible people help me. I had so much love and so much kindness and support. And the prayers, the love, all of that was just, oh man, it just completely changed me. Every little thing changed. I had to relearn how to sit up. Didn't know if I'd ever be able to walk again. But now I get to paint and I get to do what I love with all my heart and soul.
What's this, Bubba?
This is, in being in ICU and being in a coma, it was like two different people and going across that space. And so there's this energy, almost like a prayer, or this love coming over.
Name this one?
I did actually.
What's this one?
It's titled I Love You. I thought of that today. It's titled I Love You.
Can I just say how nice you look, Bubba?
No, Val, you can't. Here's a little bit of a sneak preview. I'm still working on new canvases, but here is a sneak preview of the solo show in the warehouse. I have a massive amount of paintings, and I can't even describe how happy I am. And it's all on canvas, and I just thank you for all your love and support, all your prayers, all your help. And I hope that you can come and see this new body of work titled Life is Beautiful. And live, love art. And thank you, my love. Thank you, Tanya.